If this made it to YouTube, then if this made it to YouTube, then I must start doing more videos like this. But if it didn't, I won't. Also, in person, I would like to thank each and everyone who tunes into my videos. I would like to thank each and every person who tunes into my videos. I just want to thank each and every person for that. And
so you guys let me know, would you want more videos where I show my face? It will be more of an adjustment and might take a while. Just let me know below. Anyway, this video is about fuel consumption of the Polo GTI. I have paired that with a sort of mini tour of Cape Town, a nice drive that I took on Sunday from Hillcrest Heights all the way to Chapman's Peak and back. Before that, I want to mention that when you do go sport, forget everything about fuel consumption and liters per 100 kilometers, because at that point, you should understand very well that each Verpa is costing you 10 liters of petrol. Welcome to another video. So the purpose here was to make sure that I drive like a normal person. Aircon was not on during this test because it was a sunny day in Cape Town. I did utilize cruise control function during the drive, especially on highways. So with that being said, it is going to be a combined fuel consumption test for both urban and highway consumption. Actually, before that, Tuesday I had to run some errands in the morning and I ended up being late for the office. So the office is roughly about 13 kilometers away from where I stay, and on the way there I was just hitting it. Fully sports, I was late, so surely Cape Town traffic police would understand. Hey guys, I'm joking. Drive responsibly, always. No speeding. Anyway, I managed to make it to the office in 17 minutes of just flooring it. And the fuel consumption was sitting at 12.1 liters per 100 kilometers. Here I was not trying to test anything, I was simply in a rush. That should give you an idea of where the numbers will lie if you were to drive the same way as I did. But after work I went home using the busy road coming from Stellenbosch, and usually there is a lot of traffic there. But I managed to just sit at 6.1 liters per 100 kilometers. So let's get back to the mini tour of Cape Town. As I have mentioned, this drive started off in Hillcrest and did a roundabout all the way back to there. The entire trip was around 3 hours and 127 kilometers in distance. What do you think the consumption was for this trip? Please leave your guesses in the comments below, and at the end I will let you know what it was. For me, I was a bit shocked, given that this is a hot hatch. For the purpose of this challenge, I started off by refilling as the car was on empty, and the fuel tank cost about 964 rands 20 cents. Also, if anyone is willing to start a strike for petrol to go down, please message me. That is one of the causes I can get behind. Start of 2021, I remember vividly, petrol was 14 rand a liter, and today you have to sell an arm and leg for 1 liter of petrol, but it's fine. After filling up, I was on my way. The drive started off with the highway, then a lot of twists and turns in the urban areas, then ended on the highway. I definitely recommend this drive if it's a sunny weekend and you are in Cape Town, it's worth it. Let's first talk about the comfortability. I'm not sure if it's the seats, but for the 3 hours I drove, I wasn't tired of sitting in the car, nor was I irritated. Do the low profiles make the ride a bit bumpy? Definitely. but I got over that after a few weeks. You do notice it though from time to time, no doubt, since that means there is more noise entering the car since the tires are low profile. With regards to just driving, there is no issue at all. The GTI is small enough to feel nimble around corners. It does what you want it to do. Obviously in normal and eco you do not get instant throttle response, but in sport it knows exactly where to keep the gears and at what revs. It's very satisfying. Also, Cape Town is beautiful, guys. Expensive, very expensive, but it's beautiful nonetheless. If you are enjoying the video, please drop a like and subscribe if you haven't. Also let me know where you are from, I would like to know. So here are the results. At the end of this trip, I ended the day with 5.9 liters to 100 kilometers. I have two issues with these figures. One, urban areas in Cape Town are not like urban areas in your normal townships where you have like 50 speed bumps in one street. And two, I need to test it driving from Cape Town to Nelspruit. I have to visit home soon, so I'll be taking on that trip. We'll keep you guys posted though. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I should be releasing another video soon on how it's like to live with this car for, I think it's over a month now. But until then, take care.